Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see some concept related to Zener diode. Here we are using Zener diode as voltage regulator, and this Zener diode is connected in parallel with this load, or we can say this Zener diode is connected in shunt with this load RL. So this type of connection of Zener diode for voltage regulation is known as shunt regulator. In this circuit we can see that here Vs voltage source is connected and Is current is flowing through this Rs resistance. Breakdown voltage of this Zener diode is Vz and Iz is current flowing through this Zener diode. Iz minimum will be the knee current of this Zener diode and Iz max will be the maximum current that can be flow through this Zener diode for the required voltage regulation, that is output voltage equal to Vz. Here if we write, then Is can be written as Vs minus Vz upon Rs. That Is also can be written as summation of Iz plus IL, since this Is current is dividing into these two parts. If we write KCL at this node, then Is will be equal to Iz plus IL. Now for proper operation of this circuit, Is should be greater than equal to Iz minimum plus IL. Iz minimum is the minimum current flowing through the Zener diode when Zener diode is acting in breakdown region. Zener diode is acting in breakdown region means this Zener diode is providing voltage Vz continuously across this load resistance RL. For safe operation, we can write as Is should be less than equal to Iz max plus IL. Sometimes in the problems related to power rating and power dissipation question has been asked. So let us see how can we solve it. Minimum power rating of Zener diode can be written as Pz max is equal to Iz max into Vz. Here we need to remember that minimum word is used for the power rating, but Iz minimum current should not be used for the solution. Since this is the minimum rating, that is Iz max into Vz, required for a Zener diode for proper operation as a regulator. Maximum power dissipation across Zener diode can be written as Pz max is equal to Iz max into Vz, and minimum power dissipation across Zener diode can be written as Pz minimum equal to Iz minimum into Vz. Here we can see that minimum power rating of a Zener diode is equal to maximum power dissipation across Zener diode. So both these formulas will be same. Different word is used for calculation of this value, that is Iz max into Vz. Let us see some problem related to Zener diode. In this problem, it is said that in circuit shown, Zener diode has breakdown voltage 10 volt. So Vz value is given as 10 volt and knee current is 1 milliampere. That is Iz minimum is 1 milliampere. If IL is equal to 10 milliampere, that is load current is 10 milliampere, and supply voltage varies from 30 volt to 50 volt. So this input voltage is varying from 30 to 50 volt. Then calculate the value of Rs such that output voltage remains constant. So we have to find out the value of Rs resistance so that there will be no effect in our constant output voltage. This question has been asked in GATE 2002. Let us see how can we solve it. As we had seen that for proper operation, this equation can be written as, that is Is should be greater than equal to Iz minimum plus IL. So Iz minimum current flowing in this Zener diode, IL current is flowing in this load, and Is current is flowing through this Rs resistance. So this circuit will work properly if this condition is satisfied. That means Is value should be greater than equal to Iz minimum plus IL. Here it is given in the question Vz is equal to 10 volt, Iz minimum is equal to 1 milliampere, and IL is equal to 10 milliampere. We put these values here, then we can find out Is should be greater than equal to 11 milliampere. Is value from this circuit can be written as Vi minus Vz whole upon Rs. The Is current is flowing through this resistance Rs. So it will be equal to Vi minus Vz by Rs. It should be greater than equal to 11 milliampere. So from here we can find out Rs should be less than equal to Vi minus Vz upon 11 milliampere. Now we can see that input voltage Vi can vary from 30 volt to 50 volt. So we will put these values here and we will find out the range of the resistance for which it can operate. If we put Vi is equal to 30 volt, then Rs value can be calculated at 18 ohm. And Vi equal to is put as 50 volt, then its value should be less than equal to 3636 ohm. If we take the common range of this resistance, Rs should be less than equal to 1818 ohm. So this is our answer for this question. Our Rs value should be less than this value. As we can see in this question, Vi changes for a range that is given in this question 30 volt to 50 volt. But output voltage, that is V0, is constant here, and load current IL is also constant here. So this type of circuit where input voltage is changes but output voltage and load current is always constant, this type of regulation circuit is known as line regulation circuit. If line regulation problem is given in the question, then we can solve by using these steps. See you guys in next video.